Welcome back once again, guys. So on today's update, I want to quickly give you guys a little clip or little coverage of the ongoing construction of the Ekwulobia flyover, the dualization of Ekwulobia to Uga road, the dualization of Ekwulobia to Uga road, and the dualization of Ekwulobia to Nanka down to Aguro and to MOSHEH road. So earlier last week or ending of last week, I visited this location. The last time I paid a visit to this particular location, which is where I talked about the update of the Ekwulobia flyover, was ending of last year, or the beginning of this year, I think. So but last week I visited this location again, though I was unable to capture most of the the current construction of the flyover, but I was able to get the one, the dualization of the road that leads to Oko, the one that leads to Uga, and the one of Nanka. So currently I can tell you that what I saw last year or earlier this year, and what I saw now, I can tell you that a lot of progress have been made. So if you go back to the video I made earlier this year, or ending of last year, if I remember, we found out that the progress that we have now concerning this flyover is quite much applauding. So a lot of work is going on here. They are doing their best, putting on works every day to make sure that they complete the flyover within the time frame which they have set. So and the one of the dualization that is happening from Ekwulobia to Uga, some section has been completed while some are yet to be touched. Some section of the road has also received stone base, while some are yet to receive. So, and I can tell you that the type of dualization, the method of dualization which they used from that Ekwulobia to down to Oko side, is what I love so much. I love that particular type of dualization because I feel like it's more stronger than the type they use from that of Uga road and that of Nanka road. So and the dualization currently, I think, do not cover the whole of Oko road. It ended somewhere, and the rest continue the way they are. Before you get to that Oko roundabout, the road that leads to Nanka and the one that leads to inside Oko, like Oko Poly, it doesn't get to that place. It stopped before there. So I don't think the dualization will cover the whole road. But from where we met the dualization, where they stopped it currently is before that roundabout. So talking about the Uga road, the one that leads to Uga, I could not trace, follow the road to the Uga, but I was able to, go to, where is it called, before that Ekwulobia local government. I was able to get to that side, and I can tell you that a lot of work is currently going on there. The dualization is being done with bricks. That is it. It's been done with bricks. That of Nanka is also being done with bricks. So a lot of work is going on there, and some sections along that road has received the dualization, while some are yet to receive. Some also have received stone base, while some are yet to receive. And the drainage system from where I stopped, the drainage system of that particular section has been completed. Then coming to that of Ekwulobia to Nanka, some section has been completed when you talk about the drainage system. Then some sections has received the dualization, while some are yet to receive. And for this road to be done, a lot of demolitions was done to that of Ekwulobia road, that of Uga road, and that of Nanka road. Though that of Nanka road, the demolition are yet to be completed due to they are stocked somewhere for now. a lot of demolition will be made also. And I was unable to capture some of the marked buildings that will still go down along that Ekwulobia Nanka road. A lot of buildings and shantings will still go down. They are already been marked, for demolition, so they will still go down once the work gets to that particular point, because for now they have not gotten to some side of that place. They just like stopped. I will not call it stops. They where they are now is still in a club. They are not yet coming to the boundary or even entering Nanka, so no need of the demolition until they have decided to forge ahead. So, but currently the building has been marked, and some churches which their fence was marked are currently removing their fences, to put it in order before they will get to them. So, and I know that this demolition will, we take from that Nanka side down to Agoro and down to Amobia. From that Nanka to Agolo, the old building have been marked. The building that will go down has been marked already. And another place that is currently receiving a kind of dualization and rehabilitation is the Ekwulobia to Ibuku Road is also receiving some, dualization and rehabilitation also. I can tell you that within these ASICs, a lot of work is going on, and I pray and I believe that within a short while, some of them will be completed and open for motorists. That is it. And sorry guys, this is what I was able to capture from all the construction currently going on over there. I wasn't able to capture the flyover construction, but I can tell you as an eyewitness, what I saw there is quite different from what I saw earlier this year. A lot of progress has been made, a lot of progress has been made. And if they continue like this, I believe maybe before December or by December, the flyover will be completed, so that other road construction will now, speed up. So that is all we have for now. So for more updates, kindly stay tuned, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing, and don't forget to click on the thumb up button, click on the notification button to get notified each time we drop latest updates like this. So in our next video, I will try as much as possible to give you the glimpse of I think Okbono, is it Okbono, Okbono village, a glimpse of Okbono village, and that is it. So this is all I could capture. Don't be offended. In case if you have any question or any more updates concerning this area, kindly drop via our comment section, and we will take it from there. So thank you guys for watching. Till we meet again next time. Have a lovely day, everyone.